This video is for Year 12 methods and it comes out of 1.1, it's question 21. Explain why the polynomial this is a quartic. Part B, expand and simplify. Part C, factorising using the factor theorem. And Part D, do a substitution for x squared and express in a different form. Okay then. Why is this polynomial a quartic? If I was to multiply and expand out, when I multiply these two, I'll get x to the power of 4. Multiply x by that, I'll get x to the power of 2. Multiply these two, I'll get x to the power of 2. The highest degree of this polynomial is degree 4, which makes it a quartic. Part B says expand. Okay, so I'm going to do an expansion. Part B. X times x to the power of 3 gives x to the power of 4. X times 3x gives plus 3x to the power of 2. Minus, I can recognise this as being the difference of perfect squares. 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. But because it's being minused, I'm going to put a bracket. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Minus 9 minus 21. X to the power of 4 plus 3 x to the power of 2 minus 4 x to the power of 2 plus 9 minus 21 gives x to the power of 4. 3x squared minus 4x squared is minus x squared. Minus 21 plus 9 gives minus 12. So that's what part B is when I have to expand and simplify. Part C says factorise using the factor theorem. Okay, P of 1 is going to be 1 to the power of 4 minus 1 squared minus 12, which does not equal 0. P of 2 is going to equal 2 to the power of 4, which is 16, minus 4 minus 12, which does equal 0. And because this is to the power of 4 and that is to the power of 2 and it'll always end up positive, then P of negative 2 will also be 16 minus 4 minus 12, which equals 0. So therefore I found two factors. I have x minus 2 and x plus 2 are both factors. Therefore x squared minus 4 is also a factor. I need to fully factorise these. So I'm going to have x squared minus 4 divided into x to the 4 minus x to the squared minus 12. X squared goes into x to the 4, x squared times. X squared times x squared is x to the minor power of 4. X squared times minus 4 is minus 4x squared. I'm going to subtract the second one from the first. X to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 is 0. Minus x squared plus 4 is minus 3x squared. Bring down the negative 12. X squared goes into minus 3x squared minus 3 times. Sorry, that's positive and that's positive. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. Subtract the second one from the first. I end up with 0. Therefore I have the factors x squared minus 4, x squared plus 3, which is x minus 2, x plus 2, x squared plus 3. That last factor can't be factorised. So that's part C. Part D says do a substitution for x squared. So I've actually got this. And I'm going to substitute a for x squared. Therefore it's going to equal a squared minus a minus 12. So in part D, I've got x to the power of 4 minus x squared minus 12. But if I let a equal x squared, that becomes x squared squared minus x squared minus 12, which equals a squared minus a minus 12, which I can crisscross that a 4, 3, and the negative goes on the 4, which leaves me with a minus 4, a plus 3, remembering a is x squared minus 4, x squared plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 2, x squared plus 3, same solution.